Have you ever wondered how you could improve the air quality in your home while adding beauty and vibrance to your surroundings? Believe it or not, certain houseplants can transform your home into a healthier, more peaceful haven. Some plants don't just look good. They actively clean the air, reduce stress, and even boost your mood and productivity. Let's take a look at the 10 healthiest plants to have in your house, along with their unique benefits and how to care for them. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just getting started, this list will inspire you to bring the natural world indoors and enjoy its incredible benefits. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating tips about health and home improvement. 1. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. The spider plant is one of the easiest plants to grow and care for, making it perfect for beginners. Known for its long, arching green leaves with white stripes, the spider plant is a superstar when it comes to purifying the air. It's particularly effective at removing harmful toxins such as carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and benzene. 1. Benefits: improves air quality, reduces airborne irritants, and boosts oxygen levels. Care tips: light, indirect sunlight, water, keep the soil slightly moist but avoid overwatering. Bonus: it produces baby plants that you can propagate. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is not just a plant, it's a miniature health kit. This succulent is famous for its gel, which is packed with vitamins and can be used to soothe burns, cuts, and skin irritation. But aloe vera isn't just a natural first aid plant, it also filters toxins like formaldehyde from the air. 1. Benefits: air purification, healing properties, and skincare. Care tips: light, bright, indirect sunlight. Water, allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Bonus: snap off a leaf and use the gel directly on your skin. 3. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. The peace lily is a stunning houseplant with glossy green leaves and elegant white flowers. But its beauty is just the beginning. Peace lilies are champions at removing common indoor pollutants such as ammonia, benzene, and formaldehyde, making them ideal for bedrooms and living spaces. 1. Benefits: cleanses the air and increases humidity, which is great for skin and respiratory health. Care tips: light, low to medium indirect light. Water, water when the soil feels dry. Warning: keep it out of reach of pets, as it's toxic to cats and dogs. 4. Snake plant, Sansevieria. Often called the mother-in-law's tongue, the snake plant is one of the toughest houseplants you can own. It thrives on neglect and is perfect for busy or forgetful plant parents. What makes it so special? It releases oxygen at night, making it a perfect plant for the bedroom. 1. Benefits: filters toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, improves air quality, and enhances sleep quality. Care tips: light, tolerates low light but thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Water, allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Bonus: a great low-maintenance plant for beginners. 5. English ivy, Hedera helix. English ivy is a trailing plant that looks beautiful in hanging pots or as a natural wall decor. But its appeal goes beyond aesthetics. It's excellent at filtering mold spores and allergens from the air, making it perfect for households with allergies. 1. Benefits: reduces allergens, cleans the air, and adds a classic touch to your home decor. Care tips: light, prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Water, keep the soil moist but not soggy. Bonus: English ivy is a fast grower, so it quickly fills any space with greenery. 6. Boston fern, Nephrolophus exaltata. If you're looking for a lush, bushy plant that's great for improving humidity, the Boston fern is your go-to option. This plant is particularly effective at removing toxins from the air while also adding much-needed moisture to dry indoor environments. 1. Benefits: improves air quality and enhances humidity, which is great for skin and respiratory health. Care tips: light, indirect sunlight or partial shade. Water, keep the soil consistently moist and mist the leaves regularly. Bonus, ideal for bathrooms or humid rooms. 7. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. The rubber plant is a bold, statement-making houseplant with glossy, dark green leaves. It's not just a pretty face, it's also great at removing carbon dioxide and other pollutants from the air. 1. Benefits: purifies the air and serves as a stylish addition to your home. Care tips: light, bright, indirect light. Water, water when the soil is slightly dry. Bonus, wipe the leaves with a damp cloth to keep them shiny and dust-free. 8. Philodendron. Philodendrons are versatile and low-maintenance plants that come in a variety of shapes and sizes. They're particularly effective at filtering indoor air and thrive in most home conditions. 1. Benefits: air purification and low maintenance. Care tips: light, bright, indirect light, but tolerates low light. Water, allow the topsoil to dry out before watering. Bonus, perfect for beginners who want an easy plant to care for. 9. Lavender, lavandula. Lavender is more than just a fragrant plant. It's a natural stress reliever and sleep enhancer. Its calming scent can help reduce anxiety, improve sleep quality, and even repel insects. 1. Benefits: reduces stress, improves sleep, and adds a lovely fragrance to your home. Care tips: light, lots of bright sunlight. Water, water sparingly and ensure proper drainage. Bonus, place it in your bedroom for the ultimate relaxation experience. 10. Areca palm, Dipsis lutescens. The areca palm, also known as the butterfly palm, is a fantastic natural humidifier. Its feathery, arching fronds add a tropical touch to any room, while its air-purifying qualities make it an excellent choice for improving indoor air quality. 1. Benefits: increases humidity, cleans the air, and creates a tropical vibe. Care tips: light, bright, indirect sunlight. Water, keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Bonus, great for larger rooms or spaces that need a centerpiece. Why have indoor plants? Indoor plants do more than beautify your space. They improve mental well-being, reduce stress, boost productivity, and even enhance physical health. They're nature's air purifiers and mood enhancers all in one. Whether you're looking to sleep better, breathe easier, or simply add some green to your life, these 10 plants will transform your home into a sanctuary of health and happiness. Start small, and before you know it, you'll have your own indoor jungle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on creating a healthier, happier home.